guys, this is Speedy Vargas. Welcome to the channel. And today we got my B7 RS4 here with me. I have owned this vehicle for about a year and 2 months now, and I have done nothing but an oil change to it. But I guess the day has come where it actually broke. I was pulling out of my driveway the other day, and as soon as I pulled out, something broke. I don't know if it was the engine or what I think it actually is the oil cooler hose that popped, because it's a common thing from what I've been reading online, and all of my oil just came out and dripped all out. So I shut off the car and got it towed here to the shop. So let's lift it up and see what happened. So first of all, let me apologize if my voice sounds weird. I'm sick. I got the cold, so that's why I sound weird, or maybe my eyes look weird and watery is because of that. So back to this, we have the car up on the air, and just like I thought, it's something to do with the oil cooler lines. Somebody already had replaced the line part of it and put a hose, and it actually burst. So I guess come close. This is it right here. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, so they cut this out. It's supposed to be a hard line on there, and added this, and I guess it's not strong enough, and it actually burst, and all my oil just dripped out. So I am thinking that I am going to do probably the same thing for now and just use like a stronger hose, and I'm gonna end up ordering the JHM kit that they sell. I think it's about $500, and they send you two new -12 lines or hose, or maybe just get the whole kit from Forge. That one's about 1,200 bucks, I believe. But it's the lines and the actual cooler. So I don't know, I guess I'll decide on that later, but at least let's get this thing fixed up, and that way the car will run again. All right, so we're gonna be using this right here. It's reinforced. So at least this I know is gonna hold a lot more than what that other hose did, and wait till I order the new one and replace it. But for now, let's do this. Alright guys, so this is how it looks, at least for now. Just gonna put a couple zip ties to hold it in place, and hopefully we decide on which ones to order and get those in quickly and get rid of this, so we don't have any future problems, because the least that we would want, or I would want, is for my engine to get destroyed because of the oil leaking out. So yeah, but I think at least this will hold a lot better than that cheap ass hose that Edgar put on, but fucking Otto already threw it away.
Me gusta, Fernando. Voila! Ta-da!
Well, that's a quick and easy fix for now. Now all we gotta do is tap it out with the oil and test it out. Cross our fingers. Hopefully it doesn't leak.
Wow.
Alright, so it looks like it's not leaking. Now we just gotta give it a test drive and hopefully it doesn't leak with pressure either.
Sí, porque como está frío.
Alright guys, so we've been driving the car around for about a week now, and it looks like there's no leaks anywhere, so I think we're good for now. Now we're just gonna wait for that new cooler line to come in. I'm thinking that we're gonna end up going with a forage kit, just because it comes with the cooler, bracket, and lines, and that way there's no problem when I'm trying to remove the old lines, because I've been reading a little bit online and some people has been having problems when they're trying to lose them up from the actual cooler. Since they've been there since 2007, they get corroded, and I guess they get frozen there. So sometimes you end up breaking the cooler, and then I will have to get a new cooler anyways. And the forage just comes as a complete kit with everything on it, so I think that's the way we're gonna go. So I think that's gonna cut it for this video until we get the new parts to install it. So if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
So what happened, bro?
Well, after having a little bit of fun, something happened, which is just a little, the hanger that holds the muffler, or the muffler in place came off. It was pure ice out there, and it was a little bumpy, so because of all the bumps, it actually came apart. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it by myself. Alex, can you pull on here? Pull that way. That way, yes. Yes. Oh,
Como los hombres.
I just heard it pop.
It's almost in there. Well, I guess let me grab a bar or something.
Kind of cold, huh?
Yeah, it's cold. But that was fun. You cannot lie. It was good. Alex, can you hold it here? Like here? Push it that way. I can push it in. Yeah. Let's get it in. That's what she said. Do it, baby. Do it really hard. Oh, almost. Woo. Okay, I think we're in a little bit more. Yes. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Oh shit. A phone.
Got it back in place. Sturdy as ever. Ready for round 2.
I guess that was good for a test drive. No oil leak.